Good morning, students. I think all of you are fine. It is a pandemic situation of Bangladesh, and the whole world, including Bangladesh, also has been affected by the coronavirus. So, to become awareness of this virus and to stay safe, at first you ensure it to stay at your home. If you stay at your home, that times you stay safe. And I think students, you also missing our school a lot, but at the precaution of our safety, at first we must remain safe. Dear students, I welcome you to my class. At first, before starting my class, I introduce myself. I am Kajol Rani Rai, head teacher of Mohabbatpur Government Primary School, Noakhali Sodor, Noakhali, and I welcome to my class. So dear students, you also missing your learning, and for this reason our authority, that means the education department, education office of Noakhali Sodor has launched a various type of activities. That means we have started now, today we have started a new area, new project, so that in this way you enable your learning. So please stay with us and continue it, and if you continue it, if you work on us, and if you observe this class, watch this class, in this way you also will be developed. Okay, thank you. Shall we get started? Now dear students, let's get started. Okay, please look at the screen, please. I welcome to you to our session, to our class, to our online class. So everybody please welcome and stay with us. Now please look at again the picture of the screen. Please think for yourself. What can you see in the picture? Please try to think at first, and then you please tell me what can you see in the picture. There is a girl in the picture. Do you know? There is a girl in the picture. Do you know what's her name? Yes, you are right. Maybe her name is Shima. So what is Shima doing? She is lying on the bed. Why? Because she is sick. She did not go to school today, and now she is at home. And look at another person. Who is that person in the picture? Can you think? Who is he? Look, this man is wearing a white apron, and he also with a stethoscope he examined the girl. That means, who is she? Who is he? Yes, he is a doctor. So Shima is weak, Shima is ill. For this reason the doctor visited Shima last night, and the doctor also is treating Shima, and he also told that Shima has a fever, and Shima has a cough and a sore throat, also runny nose, so she has got the flu. Okay, so she needs some medicine, and the doctor prescribed her some medicines and some instructions what she can will be better. Okay, so according to the message, we have seen that Shima did not go to school, she is sick, so she will write a letter to her friend, and her friends also reply to her. For this reason, now today's our topic is write to me soon. So our today's topic is write to me soon. Okay, the doctor is treating Shima, and she also. Again, please look at the picture. Look at the picture of the screen. What can you see? I think all of you are know about it. It's a glass of milk. Okay, and what's it? Yes, you imagine it. It's a fish, and what's it? These are lots of fruits and vegetables. So what's this? These are the food, and food also give us energy. So the doctor told Shima that you eat food which gives your body energy, and even you don't try to eat. Even you don't need hungry. That times you also need to try to eat something. So eat food that gives you energy, including this: a glass of milk, fish, fruits and vegetables gives you energy. I have taken a huge type of pictures for you. And now please, again look at this picture in the screen. Do you think what is it? I think it's a home, because there is a window, there is a clock, and there are some books on the shelf. So it is home. So the doctor also told Shima that you take rest and stay at home. And in the condition of COVID-19, that means coronavirus, you also take rest and stay at home, please. Please look at the screen again. Do you know what is it? It's a glass of orange juice. What is in the glass? Maybe it is orange juice. And what is in the picture? It's a bottle of water. So when you has got the flu, that times it is necessary to take water and juice, because it is also better than soft drinks. So the doctor told her, drink a lot of water or juice. Now have you understood? Yes, well done. You understood this? Drink a lot of water or juice. Now please, again you think, what can you see in the picture? A boy. I think maybe he has got the flu, so he covered his mouth and nose with a tissue. Look, the boy is covering his mouth and nose with a tissue. So when you also get the flu, that times you also cover your mouth and nose with a tissue. So what is in the screen? Cover your mouth and nose, use a tissue. It's also doctors prescribed her. Please look at the picture. I think everybody, you are familiar with this picture, because what is in the picture? It is a picture of washing hands. So when you wash your hands, how many times? Yes, you are washing your hands with soap before taking your meals and after taking your meals. And in this period, you also wash your hands less than 20 seconds. You must wash your hands with 20 seconds and wash your hands regularly. So if you wash your hands in a proper way, that times all the germs remove from your hand, and in this way you also prevent from the disease. So the doctor's prescription is wash your hands regularly. Have you understood? And you also wash your hands until 20 seconds with soap. And every time when you will go out from your house, and when you will come to your house, that times before entering the house, you will wash your hands with soap within 20 seconds and remove all the germs. So please students, we have just discussed about the doctor's advice. Now please recall, what are the doctor's advice? What type of advices are given by the doctor? So please look at the screen again, the doctor's advice, and we must follow, we must do, we must maintain, we must keep the doctor's advice. The first one is, please recall what we have discussed before. Yes, well done. You have remembered it very nicely. The first point is eat food, because if you eat more and more food, if you don't feel hungry, that times the food gives your body energy. The second one is rest, stay at home. Have you remembered what is the second advice of the doctor? First advice is eat food, second advice is rest, stay at home. Okay, now please think in yourself, remember it in your mind, that drink a lot of water or juice, and it's also better than soft drinks. You don't need to drink soft drinks, but if you drink a lot of water, plain water, that means mineral water, and a lot of juice, mango juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, any types of juice, that times you feel better. The fourth advice is cover your mouth and nose, use tissue. So what's the fourth advice? I have discussed it in the earlier, because it is cover your mouth, use a tissue, not use your hands. If you use your hands to covering your mouth and nose, that times the germs take place in your hand, and from your hand it takes place in your stomach, and in this way you again feel ill. So please remember it in your mind. The fifth advice is wash hands regularly. Yes, you recall it very correctly. Yes, wash hands regularly. It's our fifth advice. These advices have prescribed by the Shima by the doctor to Shima, because Shima is ill. And the last is most important. Use your own glass and plate. Everybody, you use your own cup and plate, because if you use the same plate or same glass, and in this way other people can catch the illness and they also get the flu. Okay, so these are the advice of the doctor by the patients of the flu, because Shima has got the flu and the doctor visited Shima last night, and the doctor prescribed a lot of instructions with some medicines. Okay, so please look at the screen and you will take 1 minute and think it in your mind and keep it in your mind, and you must maintain it in your regular life. Okay? Well done. Thank you, my friends. Okay. Again, please. Look at the screen. Do you think, what is the problem of this woman? What is she doing? She is covering her mouth and nose, and she feels very uneasy. So, our word is flu. Please repeat after me. Flu. Repeat after me, please, again. Flu, flu, flu. And please spell the word F-L-U. Again, please, with me. F-L-U. Okay? So, what is flu? Flu is a illness which is like a very bad cold. Shima has got the flu, and what is the word flu means? The word flu means that an illness which is like a very bad cold. Now please take 1 minute and think it in yourself with the word. Please make a sentence. You have also, I also discussed it, and you also have seen that the woman is suffering from flu. So please make a sentence. Okay, you have done it very nicely. So look at the sentence that I have made for you. Shima has got the flu. Understood it? Have you understood? Okay. Shima has got the flu. So please keep it in your memory. And now again, what is the girl doing? What is her problem? Please think. Is she okay? Is she feel well? No. Yes, your assumption is right. The girl is suffering from pain. She is putting her hand on her neck. So our word is sore throat. The word is sore throat. Again, please repeat with me. Sore throat. That means gola betha. Sore throat. Please spell with me. S-O-R-E. Sore. T-H-R-O-A-T. Sore throat. Now, what the word means sore throat? A throat with pain caused by fever or cold. A throat with pain. There is a pain in her throat, and the disease called name sore throat. Okay? So again, please make a sentence with the word sore throat. The girl has been suffering by sore throat. So please you make a sentence on your own thinking idea. Have you done? Okay, you done it very correctly. Now please look at the screen again. Shima has a cough and sore throat. Because we have discussed it in previous, and in this area we have seen that Shima has a cough and sore throat. So we have seen the word is sore throat. Again, I tell it, sore throat. Now please, students, look at the another word. Do you know what is it? I think this picture is familiar to you. All of you have seen it, and from your childhood you also use it. When you get any illness, if any person in your family, that means your father, mother, sister, brother, every types of men in your family, they also use it. So what's this? Okay, you have done it very nicely. Yes, it is medicine. What is it? It is medicine. So please repeat with me. Medicine, medicine, medicine. Okay, and this is the picture of medicine, and this is the picture of some capsule, some tablet, and these are the medicine. Okay, and now you also have seen and you also understood what the things are medicine, but what the meaning of the medicine? The meaning of medicine is a substance used to cure an illness or injury. When we catch any types of illness, any types of injury, any types of accident, that times we use medicine to cure our illness. So the word medicine means an substance used to cure an illness or injury. Have you understood it? Is it clear? If it is not clear, then again I tell it: medicine, medicine, and medicine. And the word medicine is an substance. That means an things, and product, a product of anything, a product in the laboratory, and the pharmacist also designed. They also produced it. A huge types of medicine in our pharmacy. Okay, so a substance used to cure. So please, cure an illness or injury. Okay? Matro. Okay. Okay, now please look at the picture. I think it's you known to this word juice, and the juice is one kind of drink, and you please make a sentence with the juice. I like mango juice. Okay. Now dear students, I am going to read. Please repeat after me. At first you think it very carefully, and after that you read with me. Please open your book at page 30, unit 8. Please think it, please listen it very carefully. Shima is at home today. She did not go to school because she is ill. She has a cough and a sore throat. She also feels very warm because she has a fever. She has the flu. The doctor visited Shima last night. She needs some medicine. He also told her what to do in order to get well soon. The doctor's advice: eat food that gives your body energy. Try to eat even if you don't hungry. You need to be strong. Rest, stay at home. Don't go to school or work. Drink a lot of water or juice. They are better than soft drinks. Are you coughing or sneezing? Cover your mouth and nose. Use a tissue, not your hand. Wash your hands regularly. Use your own plate, glass, and cup. Other people can catch your illness from these things. Okay, now students, again you read it. Please students, you read this passage, and after that you take your exercise book and you read it again from your book, and from your book you write true for correct statement and false for incorrect statement. Shima didn't go to school because she wanted to stay at home. Shima is warm because she has a fever. We get energy from food. Shima should not drink juice. Other people can catch illness by using Shima's plate. So please write true for correct statement and write false for incorrect statement. You have only 2 minutes, and after that you only write true or false. Please. Again I am discussing. Shima did not go to school because she wanted to stay at home. What is the correct answer? Is it true or is it false? Okay, obviously it is false because she is ill. So for this reason she did not go to school. Number 2, Shima is warm because she has a fever. What's the correct answer? Please think for yourself. Yes, it is true. We get energy from food. Okay. So, what's the correct answer? It's also, is it false? No. We get energy from food. So, it is true. Shima should not drink juice. What's your opinion? Is it false? Is it true? Please you think. The doctor prescribed Shima, you should drink a lot of juice. So, it is, obviously it is false. Other people can catch illness by using Shima's plate. So, what's your opinion? Please think for yourself. Yes, it is also false. Have you understood it clearly? Is it clear? Okay, now we are going to the next work. Our next work is rearrange the letters to make a meaningful word. Here are some letters. There are some words in a wrong order. So you rearrange the letter and make a meaningful word. Because you have seen the word D-M-I-C-E-N-I-E. It has not written in a correct order. It is in a wrong order. So please you rearrange the letter and make it in a correct way and make a meaningful word. Okay. Please take your exercise book and you will do it within 1 minute. Okay. Thank you. The word is medicine. And the next word is strong. And the third word is sneezing. And the last word is hungry. So, we rearrange these letters and make the meaningful word medicine, strong, sneezing and hungry. Do you feel happy? Is it okay? Okay, thank you. Dear students, now we are going to another thing. It is also important for your class. What's are these? Answer the following questions. Number 1. Where is Shima today? Number 2. What did the doctor prescribe Shima? What should Shima do when she is sneezing? And the last one is who thinks we will be careful to use. Okay, I think everybody you will know it. You will know the answer. So the first answer is Shima is at home today. And the second answer is what did the doctor prescribe Shima? The doctor prescribed Shima some medicines and some instructions also. What should Shima do when she is sneezing? Shima should cover her mouth and nose with tissue when she is sneezing. And the last question is whose things will be careful to use? We will be careful to use our own glass and plate because we have discussed if we use the same plate that times the illness can catch the other man. And the last thing, you have done a great job. 25 minutes you have with us. So please, it's time to go to the next class. So at first, going to the end of our class, there is your homework. Please do it in your home. And I think everybody you will be able to do these things. Write a short composition within at least 5 sentences about the prevention of flu. So you will write 5 sentences about the prevention of flu, and you will write it in your khata at home. When you will go within our class, that times you will do it. Okay, dear friends, thank you. But before going to our class, I also again remember to you, it's the time of pandemic, and you please, I think you are intelligent, and today's topic is very similar to COVID-19, and you have already seen that these are instructions also are same to the instructions of COVID-19. So you please stay at home, and you also maintain, you also obey the instructions that have the doctor said. So please stay at home, and again we shall see you tomorrow. Thank you. Thank everybody.